Welcome to our Munch Monitor tutorial. Munch Monitor is the online canteen lunch ordering system used at Charlton Christian College. We will show you how to set up your account, top up funds, place orders, and set up your snack money preferences. Open a web page and enter in the address in the search bar, www.munchmonitor.com. Monitor page will open. Click on the Login button to create your account. Click on Register to set up your account. Enter in the details. For the school code, enter in Charlton CC and the password Munch2283. Fill in the details in red, then click Create Your Account. You will receive a confirmation email asking you to activate your account. Once activated, you will then be able to log into Munch Monitor. Enter in your account details, then click Login. Here is the Munch Monitor main page. At Charlton, we use the canteen and top-up account functions only. Setting up the parent profile. At the home page, click on My Account and then Parent Profile. Enter in your parent details, then click Save My Profile. To add funds to your account, click on Top Up Account. You can also use this function when you need to add more funds for future purchases. Select the amount you wish to add to your account and then click on Enter Your Card Details through the NAB payment gateway below. Up Student Profile. Click on My Account and then Student Profile. On Add New Student Profile to add a new student to your account. Enter in the relevant details and click Save My Profile. Allergy information can also be entered here. Ensure you save prior to adding any banned foods. Repeat these steps for each student you are adding on your Munch Monitor account. Now we can set up your snack money settings. Snack money must be set up for your child to be able to purchase items from the canteen snack menu over the counter at recess and lunch times. You can choose a weekly limit or a daily limit for each child. Once the daily or weekly snack money limit is reached, no further snacks can be sold to your child. This is a great function which allows parents to determine the limits on their child's snack spending. It can be tailored for each child on your account at the parent's discretion. Click on Save My Profile to apply the changes. Click on the Canteen function to place an order. Click on the relevant day's menu to continue. The lunch ordering options will allow you to place orders for the whole coming week at one time should you wish to. Otherwise, orders need to be placed by 9 a.m. each school day. Click on the quantity of the items you wish to purchase. Click on Submit Order to complete your order. You will also receive an email confirmation to your registered email address advising what is in your order. It's always a good idea to just double check in this email that the order is reflected correctly. We hope this answers any questions you may have and helps you set up your accounts easily. We hope you enjoy using Munch Monitor for your child's lunch and recess needs. Thank you.